These types of builds, they exist on different levels across the board, but I hope that when people, especially vehicle enthusiasts and people who do this, when they take their time and actually look this over to see how everything is done perfectly right, I hope they feel excited to see something of this level on the street.
There's a lot of emotions in these builds, and you have a rendering done of it. You show the customer gets excited, and I mean, our goal here is to make that rendering a reality. So this week in the shop, we've got a couple different projects we've been working on. It's been real sporadic. We've done a little bit here and there this week. This is our 24 F250 that we're doing the any level on. We're waiting on that to come back from powder.
We're gonna go ahead and put the 5.5 inch static any level on here. It's the first one to come out of our shop. We're gonna set it up on some 24s with 37s, a pulls hitch. Basically, we're gonna build it out to be a completely workable, nice looking F250. So they're starting the disassembly on the front end here. They got to get the shocks dropped down, the steering components, everything disassembled to go ahead and start getting this front end put together with the new lift kit.
Okay, so this is a 73. They've got it put back on the lift. Every time I come in here, it's got a panel on or off of it. I don't ever really know what's going on, but they've got it fitted for the air tank and the air compressors. Next step is they're gonna tub the firewall on this one. So this is a project that came from another shop. They didn't finish putting it back together, so the customers brought it to us. We're putting new headlights in it, tail lights, handle relocator, and finishing the wiring on the gauges. This is a 67 C10 we've been working on. They got the firewall and everything tubbed on it. Really, I'm gonna kind of let Trevor take over on this one, and he'll tell you the rest of it.
This is a 1967 C10, small back window, roast shop chassis, LT4 power, kind of all the goodies you'd like to have in a C10. Finishing it up, I'm finishing up some inner wheel tubs right now to accommodate the tires. After that, we'll start coming apart and going to paint. We should be, get into paint. Realistically, everything, if you want to go to completion date, we had a couple guys on it all the way through right now. We'd probably be 9 months into it, to finish everything after all coating, everything got back and put back together. But realistically, one guy on it, it's probably another year away before it's actually out driving.
Okay, so as you see, they've pulled the exhaust back out of this one. We're gonna go ahead and wrap the pipes before we put them in just to cut down on heat. And that's really, we're just waiting on that stuff to come in.
Dang.
Tight as fuck.
See it?
Somebody put a real man on it.
Hey, tight. It's tight. It was tight enough to not be rattling. Let's see.
Go ahead. All right, hold up.
You didn't give it enough ugga-duggas.
Oh, I got it. Come on.
Got what?
Right there, that one. I hit a different harmonic because I'm just... There. This is sitting right here. Oh.
Right there on the tip.
There it is. I can pull down on it and make it squeal.
Yeah, you're right.
There it is.
Oh, he finally gets to use the cutter?
Shit, cut off, bro. Dang. Where'd that other socket go? It was rolling across. Oh, you can do it right now. Look at it. Damn, he's motivated. Yeah, it sounds like shit. Every time I drive somewhere, and they're like, you're looking at it like, yeah, it's a nice truck. Yeah.
So in the middle of all this going on, I've been trying to find a rattle in my truck. It's not a rattle, it's like a squeak, and it kind of sounds like shit whenever you go to hit the gas. You know, we did the exhaust work on here, and it's always something dumb. Well, we found it. It's simply a bolt coming back on the hitch bracket, and it's just rubbing away on there. Whenever you go to hit the throttle, it rolls it just enough and vibrates that bolt on there. So I was changing everything because I was getting ready to do it, you know, so I got my fancy clothes on, but then Traver hopped in and started doing it. So, you know, I'll allow it this one time.
Okay guys, so that's our video for the week. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us for more updates.